Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to us if you have not already, so you would not miss a thing in the future. Now today we have something new for you, so let's get started. Who does not love wardrobe in their bedroom? I think you would agree that almost everyone loves to have wardrobe in bedroom, inside the house, in bedroom, private room. All duplex houses have this setting. However, not everyone owns a duplex houses. This does not mean that one cannot still have duplex wardrobe in their house. See here for compact wardrobe ideas for small houses, small bedrooms. If you love wardrobes even just for the beautiful room they offer, this idea book will be helpful for you to understand the facts, figures and details about wardrobe, where and how you can plan to have wardrobe in your room, but to consider before you start constructing wardrobe in or out of your room, and the various kind of wardrobe that you can have for your bedroom and living room, drawing room. A professional will help you to a great extent regarding these aspects. Guys, read to find out all about the staircases, wardrobe, living room, bedroom for your house. But to keep in mind before planning, everything designed for increased efficiency. A well designed wardrobe in bedroom comprises several features that distract from the size of the area. These include storage, clothes and other things, private things, and efficient place out among all closed in wardrobe. If you are designing in your bedroom or giving you all make or in this small room, ideas on the small